Hello, people of YouTube. So, I haven't recorded a video in about 5 years, like before the pandemic, but I thought I'd start filming videos again. If you want to see my old channel, I'll put a link to it in the description. That's my old channel. I had another channel I was uploading for like 10 years on, and it's gone. But when I very first started on when I was in high school, you can go check that one out. So, starting back in YouTube, something I obviously need is a camera. I thought I'd get some cameras, and I thought it'd be fun to do some cheap cameras. Now, I did purchase a nice camera, and it will be here. I don't know, whenever it gets here, I guess. But yeah, I have a couple of cameras from AliExpress and a tripod. So here's the tripod. As usual from AliExpress, it's kind of all beat up and whatnot. So I'll do an unboxing of it. Oh, it does come with a case. That's nice. I will do a thing on it and the second camera in a separate video. This video, I'm going to focus on this camera. Now, this camera I got off of AliExpress for like $25. It has some good ratings on AliExpress, but a lot of things have good ratings on AliExpress that aren't the best. But this was like a little over $25. Now, the other camera, a little spoiler for the next video, this one was like $18 with like $20 plus after taxes and whatever. In this video, I'm going to focus just on this camera, unboxing it, showing you what it looks like, and we'll see if it's any good, especially for $25. Okay, so right now I'm using my Pixel 6a to record. I'm going to be using an actual camcorder later on. I'm not a big fan of using my phone to record videos. I just have a lot of problems with it. I don't want to get into that right now, but I do want to get into unboxing this. And yeah, like I said, this was a little over $20 on AliExpress. I don't think I could find anything similar to it on the internet. The next video, that camera, I have found a few things on Amazon that look like it, so it's out there. This one though, well, let's just take a look at it. Camera box. Let's see, what is this? Looks like Mandarin on the. I don't speak Mandarin. On the microphone, which yeah, this has an included. I guess you guys can't see it on there, but right there, it's got an included microphone. I was going to buy a microphone separately on AliExpress, but this one came with it. It's not a powered microphone, I don't think, so it may not be very good. I mean, this camera's probably not very good anyway. But user manual. Here's the battery. Looks like a cell phone battery. One of the old flip phone batteries. Kind of neat. Okay, so it's got this lens that can screw onto the camera. Macro lens. We'll see that. Sorry, I was out of frame. We'll see how that works out in the test video. Wall charger. More plastic. Here's the microphone. Like I said, not powered. Just plug and play. No settings or anything on it. So there's that. It does look like it screws into the camera. Interesting. And you have a mini USB, not a micro, a mini USB. Not something I've seen in a while. So let's look at the actual camera. This is an extremely lightweight camera. Screen. Battery, I believe, goes in here. Okay, so after some prying, I got that off. And the battery, put that in. Hopefully, I'll never have to open that ever again. I do not like that battery cover. I'm guessing it's not charged at all. Usually, a lot of times you buy stuff and it has like a little bit of charge. I guess this is one of the cases where it does not. Okay, after messing with it for a few seconds, you actually have to power it on with the power button, and it doesn't turn off the camera when you close it. Very weird. I've never had a camera that doesn't do that. But it does flip all the way around, sort of. The screen is kind of upside down. You can see. That's going to be a little kind of annoying to use. And as you can see up here is the mount for the microphone. It looks like I'm not going to be able to use this microphone on other things because it looks like it is a special mount that only works on this camera. There's that, nice and tight. Video lens, aperture 5.0. Back here should be the charge port and the microphone port. Down here, I found the SD card port. It is a full-size SD card. So there's that, and tripod mount right there. You see, oh, the lens on my camera is on my phone's right there. See no card. It does have a digital zoom, which I thought it did. Oh, it does. It's just a button though. That's not annoying at all. I guess that's it. But anyway, digital zoom's pretty useless anyway. So I'm not going to be using that anyway. So resolution. How do I navigate the menu? Photo resolution. Put that down. Is it in photo mode right now? Oh, okay. I found it out. You hit this button right here. My audio recording for some reason. Camera mode and video mode. Check out the settings, resolution. I do want to check that out. 1080p. How good of 1080p it is, we'll see in a moment. Cyclic record, EV, data label. Let you know. Data label on. Okay, is that it on the? Oh no. That's just time settings, power settings, auto power off. I do want to do that. Let's do for 5 minutes. Yeah. So, okay, so I got the macro lens on, and I also installed the audio cable for the microphone, which you guys probably saw on the box, and I completely missed. But that's the macro lens on and off. It doesn't really look like it does much. It doesn't look like it does. Oh, I guess it does a little. But I'll do some tests with it on and with it off. I guess that's all I can really show you about the camera besides actually filming. So let's get on to the test footage. So here's with the microphone plugged in and the macro lens on. One annoying thing about this thing is every time you turn it on, it's always in photo mode. So you have to switch it over. So if you need to grab a camcorder quick and hit record, this is not the one for you. So there's, hopefully you can see that. Okay, I'm going to take off the wide angle lens now. So here's with it off. Honestly, it doesn't look too much different, in my opinion. There's that. And this is wide angle off, remember. So this is just the built-in microphone, not the external one. So we'll see how this goes. It doesn't look too bad on the viewfinder. It doesn't look like particularly great, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Remember, I'll have another video up reviewing the other camera and the tripod, so stay